All right, if you have an LG bottom loader washing machine, I want to show you how to do a full factory reset. Now this particular one is a direct drive inverter, but you might have a different version. But they're pretty much all the same concept. So really the only thing we're going to have to do is unplug it from the wall or turn it off by the circuit breaker. So for example, this one's pretty close. So locate the circuit breaker in your home, it looks like this, and then find where it says laundry or dryer or washer. So you can see there it says washers. And what we're going to do is go to the one on the grid. So 3 up here. And we're going to go ahead and trip it and turn it off right here where it has no power. And you'll come back to it and it'll have no power. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold both of these buttons down. One or both, it depends if it has it. The power button and then this pause button. We're going to hold them both down for 5 seconds simultaneously. Or if you only have the power, just hold down the power for 5 seconds. And what that's going to do, that's going to burn out any residual power that's still on it. Give it about another 5 minutes. Go back to your circuit breaker. Go ahead and flip it back on. And that's how you do a reset on any LG washer. Thanks for watching. Oh, and let me know what model you have of the LG.